In a bowl, combine the yeast, a little of the sugar and warm water, and leave this to sit so that the yeast can activate for maybe 5 minutes. Once the yeast has bloomed, add the remaining sugar, the corn flour, and the plain flour. Mix well until you have a thick and smooth batter. Now cover the bowl and leave it to rest for about 30 minutes. Carefully drop spoonfuls of the batter into hot oil for frying. Fry for about a minute, just until the dough sets and lightly colors. Remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack and repeat this process with the remaining batter. Now working in batches, return the awamat to the hot oil for a second fry, turning occasionally until they're a deep golden brown and crispy. Double frying is what gives awamat their signature texture. The first fry sets the batter, it gently cooks the inside, helps the balls hold their shape, and creates a thin outer shell without colouring them too much. The second fry is where the magic happens. The moisture inside escapes, the exterior crisps up, and the awamat turn evenly golden and light rather than dense or greasy. To serve, drizzle them with lots of sugar syrup and enjoy.